In this lesson, we'll show you how to resolve and reduce clashes after running the clash detector. Once you've run the clash detector, you'll see a list of clashes. When you click on the clashes, the clashing elements will be highlighted in the scene. In order to see only the clashes better, I'm going to change some of the transparency properties. Alright, now let's say we want to resolve the clash between this beam and this duct. The easiest way to resolve this clash is simply to move the blue duct down a little bit, until it no longer intersects the red beam. To do that, you'll need to go back to the original Revit file. So left-click on the blue duct, and then right-click on it, and go to Switchback. As we discussed in a previous lesson, this will open up the original file in its native program, allowing you to make the necessary changes. To simplify things, be sure to get the element ID from the Properties window, so you can quickly and easily find it in the native file. You can copy the data value onto the computer's clipboard, or you can search it manually. Regardless, once you have gone into Revit and corrected the mistake, you're going to need to reload the Revit file into Navisworks. That is, you're going to need to re-upload the NWC file for the original Revit MEP project. Fortunately, there's an extremely simple way to do that. First, select the NWC file from the selection tree. Then select Refresh from the Quick Access toolbar at the top of the screen. Additionally, you can use the keyboard shortcut F5. Once you've refreshed the file, the changes will be automatically applied to your model. Now, I've already gone into Revit and made the changes. So now, when we look at the model in Navisworks, we can see that the duct no longer intersects the beam. Now, if we go back to the clash detective, we can rerun the clash check on structural versus MEP by first resetting the original clash test and then running it again. You'll see when we do that there are fewer clashes in this new clash test. This is the basic process for going through and correcting any clashes, identifying them, fixing them in the native file, and then rerunning the clash detective until there are none left. Remember too that you have tools within the clash detective to help you figure out what stage each clash is at. You can change the status of a clash to either indicate that it's been resolved, that it's new or active. You can indicate that you're aware of it, but are in the process of fixing it. Just remember, the clash detective is simply a tool to help you achieve your aims in the project.